We're going to talk about oil as well with our next guest. But first, let's focus on what's happening in the rates market. Futures in focus. Joining us now from the CME, Chris Gersch, Bell Curve Capital Director of Strategy. Chris, there's been a lot of talk today about the fact that the ECB is going to pump lots more liquidity into the market. We're going to get rates cut. But the real story is the fact that potentially the Germans could be trying to do some fiscal stimulus. Look, what do you see in the rates market that would confirm or deny this? Does the market believe Germany's going to spend more money?
The market does believe that. Just look at the euro. The fact that we dip below that 111 handle, 110.88, that weaker euro, if we don't see any floor right here, we could see a 109 handle by end of week. The traders definitely think the euro is going lower.
What kind of response do we get at that point? How far does this go? A lot of people are talking about the dollar being overvalued already. How much further can that extend, do you think?
I think ultimately you still, have another 40 cents on the dollar index, I think, but with the euro, you could have a 108.50, 108.70 handle just based on this information. Depends on the quantitative easing. A lot of asset purchases, and we see those rates continuing to go lower in Germany.
Yeah. The president's not going to be wild about that, but we'll talk about that a different day. Look, I got WTI crude trading at 55.67. We've just been talking about the fact that we had a drone attack in Saudi Arabia. The market's budged a little bit, but not very much. Anne-Marie just telling us that the focus really is on the demand side. Is that the way you look at it?
It is on the demand side. Until crude here at CME gets above 57 handle, we're not really paying any attention. Obviously, with Bundesbank for Germany coming out saying that they could see a pullback and actually downtick for a third quarter, that means stimulus is going to be there. And ultimately, we have a stronger dollar. A stronger dollar, it's really hard, to see any follow through with oil.
Okay, we're going to leave it there. Chris, thanks for your time. Thanks for joining us. Chris Gersch joining us from the CME, joining us from Bell Curve Capital. Okay, let's take a quick look at...